is here. The python is there. Oh yes, the snake is here again. Ooh, is there. May the land of the spirit give us help in this world. Cause we can't fight alone. We can't do all this alone. We can't fight alone. God help us. Give us the spirit that we fight this battle for us. Oh, 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 oh. May the God save the powerless. May the God save the powerless. We need an angel that will save us from evil hands. From evil hands.
Please keep quiet, let me make it. Do you want it tight?
No.
Okay. Julia, is it okay?
Easy now.
I'll leave it to. Keep your head.
Do you know why you?
I'm doing it, Jerry. Okay. It's nice now, huh? Okay. Is it too tight? I'll leave it to. Just wait, let me do it. Welcome there.
No. Thank you.
I'm trying to make her head. You keep your head well. Keep it well.
The two princes have already set out for the journey.
Yes, so we know.
Journey to the evil forest is not an easy one. It is a matter of life and death too.
Yes. May the God see them through.
He said,
Keep your head.
so who will you love to become the next king? As for me, I choose Prince Ewu.
May the gods forbid. Why would you choose such an arrogant prince to become the king? If he becomes the king without his wicked wife, he will become a tyrant.
Yes.
Their subjects will become slaves.
Bam.
As for me, I prefer Prince Ugo.
Bam.
He's so gentle, so accommodating,
And
so flexible with a heart of gold. When a good man sits on the throne, his people rejoice.
Bam.
I would love Prince Ugo to become the king.
Me too.
But I don't like his wife.
Why?
Why? Because she's a snake.
Obiozo.
Aseleka,
You.
you and this your mouth.
You. You see this your mouth. You are talking carelessly everywhere you go. Another kwamia. Okay.
I'm not here when you say this.
Mama.
Everything you're saying, count me out.
I am not.
It's like you have overstayed your welcome in this palace.
Yes.
But I know what I'm
Shut up. Shut up. Look, don't you know the leaves have ears? I'm only telling you this. You're not hearing. Keep this your head. Yeah. Keep it. Keep it. No. I should not flag it.
Yes, because I'm saying the truth. Want
to
kill me. Okay.
Father, what about our sister Ola? Is her husband fine?
I know you are both worried about your sister, but there is no reason to be worried. Everything is under control.
Father, I can't help but feel troubled. What if the humans overpower her?
You ask as if you don't know who she is. Have you forgotten your sister is a goddess? Mortals may only try. They cannot succeed over the gods and the goddesses. Your sister will come out. She will come back. in one piece.
Who are you? And why are you standing on our way?
I am the queen of the forest. This is my territory. Anyone who walks into this forest must recognize me.
And what do you want if I may ask? Huh?
You must make love to me, one after the other. If you must have your way.
You lie! We will not do what you ask us for because we are not indebted to you. We do not know you and we owe you nothing. See, whatever you call yourself, you better get out of our way. Else, I will show you. And when I'm done with you, you have no place to exist again. So get out!
You must make love to me. If not, you can never have your way.
Don't fire. Why? These are the angry spirits. Do you remember the fairy tales our mother used to tell us? Once being shot at, they'll keep multiplying. So what do we do? Run. Should run? Yes, run. Get your shield, let's go. Get your shield, let's go. These spirits are inescapable. I think it's time we use our guns on them. Wait. Are you not the one that said when you fire them, they will multiply? Can you not see that they are 3 now? So what do we do? I have my flute. According to fairy tale, the sound of good melody calms their anger down. Just watch me. Hey! They're gone. What? I told you. Tired. I think we should come here and rest. Yes, because I'm tired too. Oh.
Where did she go to? I saw her here. I saw her here. Where are you, witch?
One name. You are healed and strong now.
I feel much better now, brother.
I know. Thanks be to the gods.
Can we proceed?
Yes.
So, which direction should we go? What do you think?
Let's go this way.
This is the crown you both are looking for.
Soma, what are you doing here?
You have been favored by the gods. The gods have chosen you to be our king, to rule our kingdom.
Egu. Egu, this is not Isioma. She is not your sister.
Ugochi, what are you saying? Can't you see her? Huh? That's my sister.
Egu, I swear by the gods, she is not your sister.
Are you saying that you know my sister better than I do? Huh? That's my sister.
I am telling you that she's not. She is not Isioma.
Do not mind him. Of course you know he does not love you. I brought the crown for you. Come take it.
Don't go.
I'm going to be king.
Don't! Egu!
So that was what happened today, Mother. Immediately I was trying to hurry into the compound. I saw her in her hut eating. Someone I left in the bush because I know that she did not leave before me. Can you imagine? All of a sudden I saw her eating. What's going on?
She is not ordinary then.
That's what I've been complaining about. She's not ordinary. I keep having several dreams. That's why I had to follow her up because that lady, I don't trust her. I don't trust her at all. Eh? And now my dream is coming to reality after all.
Wow. Could she be the snake that always comes to her husband's rescue?
You don't need a soothsayer to say so. She is a snake. A very dangerous one at that.
Yeah. Ugochukwu married a snake.
Yes.
Hey!
Prince Ugo married a snake. He is living with a snake. May the gods forbid that.
Hey!
Eh? Mother, I think someone is eavesdropping us. Hold on.
Did you see anyone?
No, but I'm very sure that someone was eavesdropping. Very, very sure. Mother, we're in trouble. We are in serious trouble. And we have to act fast.
By the powers conferred on me as the Onowu of this kingdom, I crown you Prince Ugochukwu, AEC II of Mkpologu Kingdom. Eke, Oye, Afọ, Nkwọ, Igwe. Igwe. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Bien.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah.
Igwe, you see the second of Mkpologu Kingdom. Ekenemi. Igwe.
Igwe.
Hey!
What is the meaning of this?
Evil men!
What is the meaning of this?
Will you shut up your mouth?
What is it?
This evil man killed my husband in the forest and took away the crown. And you evil men decided to crown him. Today marks the end of it all.
It's okay, calm down.
Today marks the end of it all.
Calm down, calm down.
Over
Calm down.
my dead body.
Olama.
Will you rule me over
Olama.
my husband?
Don't.
You killed my
Olama.
husband. May the gods forbid you. Ah! just a dream. It was just a dream. It was just a dream. It was just a dream.
All I can see is wickedness. All I can see is evil mind. You made yourself devil incarnate. You have made yourself.
Mother, I'm scared.
Scared of what?
I had a bad dream.
A dream?
Yes. In that dream, my husband found the crown and Prince Ugochukwu killed him and snatched the crown from him. All of a sudden, the Ono and the elders made Prince Ugochukwu the king. And then I bashed into the throne room. I carried my hunter gun. When I tried to fire Prince Ugochukwu, all of a sudden, Olama shot me to death and then I woke up.
Well, it was just a dream. I mean, there is no way my gallant son would be coming back with a crown and his half-brother would shoot him. But no, it was just a dream. It was a dream. You don't need to be scared.
Mother, from your own point of view, it was just a dream. But you cannot underrate the strength of any man. I know my husband is very brave and gallant. But you see that Prince Ugochukwu? He's so calm, he behaves like a dove, but I know he might just turn out to become a lion. He's desperate, he's dangerous. I don't trust him.
I understand your fear, but you don't need to be afraid. Remember, your husband was fortified by Egbe. We all were fortified. Your husband is beyond human destruction. What if an amen? Your husband will be fine. It was just a dream.
All right, Mother. I know everything is possible. My husband will be fine.
He is fine.
Egu have to run! Everybody is coming! You have to run!
Save the powerless. May the God save the powerless. We need an angel that will save us from evil hands. From evil hands. Obodo no the python. Obodo no the snake is here. The python is there. Oh yes, the snake is here.
You have all favor.
To ascend the throne of your forefather. Your meekness has brought you favor. Look by your left. Look, you will see that which you seek. Look, go, 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 go. Come. Go. From the crown. Go. The crown. Yes, it's real. The crown. Yes! Yes! I found the crown! I found the crown! Ah! Egu! Egu, my brother! I found the crown! Come, let's go! Egu! Egu! Egu, my brother! Come, let's go! I found the crown! I will be the next king!
O gods of this land, I beseech you to make me be in the spirit whenever my husband is in trouble. He has no power of his own to defeat his enemies. His enemies are always ready to kill and destroy him. And the powers you gave to me, they are limited. Please, do not let him see shame. You see?
The crown. Ego, I found the crown! Found the crown, brother! Yes! You found the crown! Yes! Ah! You are going to be king, Ugochukwu! Yes! You are going to be king, Ugochukwu! Yes! Ah, yes! Come on! King Ugochukwu! Yes! It is time to go home. It is time to celebrate! Let us go home! Let's go home! We will rule our kingdom together! Let us go home! King Ugochukwu! We are coming home, brother! Let's go! I found the crown!
seen them. My husband. Nothing must happen to my husband. Nothing. My husband. Why can't I see them? Why am I not seeing them? What is going on? What is going on? Where are they? Where are they?
All I can see is wickedness. All I can see is evil mind. You made yourself devil incarnate. You have made yourself an evil. What you see in your mind every day is wicked. Tibo, he will not see tomorrow. I don't want him to leave. Tibo, he will not.
Why is it taking them too long to come back? What is happening? I hope they are safe because I'm worried.
My daughter, you don't need to be worried. I'm sure that my son will bring that crown back. He will come back victoriously.
Issei.
Just calm down.
May the gods protect them.
Issei.
You allow evil to take over you. You allow bitterness to take over you. Lotekwa no bumane sinamala. Buronye kunenuwa koga orokwa. Amakamkweto na nenuwa omanto fembozo. Kibaga dimwa hijinmo. Morena pande mochi. Lotekwa nochi ndimo nibakwa.
Mother! I told you.
I told you! Odogwumwam!
I brought home the crown.
I told you.
Abim!
My son. Mother, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
I knew you would make me proud.
Egundeze.
Nke izizi.
Amumamiri.
Nkembo. You're welcome. I'm home.
I'm happy you made it.
Thank you.
So I am going to be the queen of this kingdom.
Say it again.
I am going to be the queen of this kingdom.
Say it again.
I am the queen of this kingdom.
You are going to be my queen. Oh, Gochuku one name. My brother, he fought. He was brave. But unfortunately, he was devoured by a lion.
Hey.
One name.
It is okay. At least you came back with the crown.
But I thought I was going to rule as king with him.
Oh.
My brother!
It's okay. At least you have the crown. At least we have the crown. You will be the king. Oh?
Yes.
I'm so proud of you. Cheer up, cheer up.
It's a pity.
May your days be long, my king.
Mother, did you hear that? Say that again.
May your days be long, my king.
Say that again.
May your days be long, my king.
Mother, I am going to be king. Agunaza, Amumamiri.
Father, the worst has happened. Father, Egu is back, and my husband did not come back with him. Father, they've killed my husband. What do we do?
I knew you were going to come here complaining, and that is why I am waiting here for you.
What do we do? They must not win, Father.
He is not dead.
Okay.
Oh yes.
Okay.
He was actually shot at, but I have prevented his spirit from joining the other world. You have a duty.
Tell me.
Go back.
Okay.
Go back and call back his spirit. Call back his spirit. From deep down your own spirit. Call back his spirit. Do that.
Okay, Father. I have to go now. Thank you.
Mortals will always continue killing themselves. They will always continue showing wickedness to themselves. Ultimately, they are going to destroy the world wherein they live, and they will begin to look for where to run to. But nothing must ever happen to the one who is under my protection. I will always go all out to protect him or her.
No! Where do you think you're going? Go back! You cannot just die like that. Odogo Cable, you must fulfill your mission on this earth. Obim, go back. Go back! You cannot just die like a chicken. Go back! You have to go back. You have to be king. You must be king. Go back. Obim! Obim! Go back. Go! Good. Go back. Go back and fulfill your mission on earth. Go back and be king.
die like that? Why would he die?
What is it? Why are you crying? Talk to me. Kediyo.
Prince Ugo is dead.
What? How? Go to Kediyo Meya.
He died in the Igbo forest.
But how did you know that? Huh? How did you know that?
Are you not in this palace? Eh?
Why
are you asking me that kind of question?
I'm sorry. I slept off after cooking. So, I don't know. Talk to me.
Prince Ego is back with the crown.
Hey, yeah. He came back with the crown. What happened to Prince Ugo? What killed him in the forest?
Prince Ego said he was devoured by the lion.
Lion kwa?
Chwakwa, what kind of story is this? Tell me. Lion.
I thought they were fortified.
Oh.
Lion.
No, I call lion. Get a lion wa batago ni. Batago.
Chai. That's our quiet prince just died like that.
I'm tired though.
Oh yeah, stop crying.
I can't stop.
Ebezina.
I'm tired of this palace.
Oh no. Egwu ndị eze ga-abụ eze.
Egwu dị egwu.
Egwu ndị eze ga-abụ eze. Nwoke ike. Egwu. Oh no.
Onye chi esi na ọ ga-abụ eze ga-abụrịrị eze.
Oh no, it wasn't an easy journey. Oh no, we battled spirits and wild animals on our way to the evil forest.
Hey, I forgot. I thought as much.
It wasn't an easy journey.
It won't.
But oh no, unfortunately, I lost my brother, Prince Ugochukwu, my only brother. He was brave. He fought alongside me as a warrior. Unfortunately, he was devoured by a lion. I tried to save him, but I couldn't. They killed my brother. Oh, when I thought he was going to rule alongside me as king.
It is all right. It's all right. It's all right. Huh? It's all right. The gods knew why it happened. The gods know why it happened that way. Wow. We should even be, talking to the gods so that the spirit of the departed young man will find eternal rest in their bosom. So, yes. You're already a king. So, what will happen now is that you need to prepare. You need to prepare yourself, prepare your wife, because in the next
Eke Market Day.
The fourth Eke Market Day.
Yes. And we
are going to cry.
We must let Ezemo know that.
We must let him know. We're going to crown you the king. And of course, your wife, the law of this kingdom.
We have to leave for now so that we begin to prepare. You can't go no.
Okay.
Igwe na nwe. Egwu di egwu ndị eze. Egwu di egwu na ndị eze.
All I can see.
I am going to be the king of this great kingdom.
You made yourself devil incarnate. You have made yourself an evil. What you see in your mind every day is wicked.
Okay. How did you get into this forest?
Obim, it's a long story.
But you saved my life. Where did you get such power from?
Like I said, it's a long story. I'll tell you as soon as we get out of here. Let's go. Let's go. Just give me your hand.
You allow evil to take over you.
Obim.
Kim.
Obim, just go. I'll come as soon as I'm done, okay? You have to go. The elders are waiting for you. Just go.
Okay.
I'll join you later. Go before it's too late. Go, Obim. Obim, listen to me. Go. The elders are waiting for you.
Okay.
It's okay. You'll be fine. Just get going. Get going. I'll join you later.
Okay.
Go. Obim, go!
You allow evil to take over you. You allow bitterness to take over you. Lotekwa no bumane sinamala. Buronye kunenuwa koga oroba. Amaka mkweto na nenuwa omanto fembozo. Kibaga di mwanyi jimbo. Orena mande mochi. Lotekwa no chindimo ni baba.
You are alive. People of Nkologu Kingdom. Prince Ugo is alive. Mother! Mother! No, you are dead. You are dead. No! No! No, he is dead. He's not meant to be alive. He is dead. He's not meant to be alive. No! No, mother! He's supposed to be dead! You are dead!
Mom. Everything worked perfectly. I went into the evil forest and I came back with a crown. I am going to be the future king of this kingdom. And so I brought this little token just to show my appreciation.
My prince, I promised you that your journey was going to be successful.
You said that.
Makano bodo telaka nwere ndị ọ dị nso. Nice one. Ewu ata m igu n'isi.
What is it?
The amulet has lost his powers. Did you hug any unclean woman?
Ezemodi, the only person that I hugged was my mother, my wife, and my sister.
That means it's either your wife or your sister was unclean when she embraced you, and the amulet lost its powers.
You have to replace it. You have to replace it.
My prince, there is fire on the mountain.
Listen, what is it again?
Your brother is alive.
Listen, that can be possible. I personally killed him in the forest. I did.
His wife raised him from the dead.
Listen, how could that be possible? Is it that she has some kind of powers or something?
His wife is not an ordinary person. Now I am saying it clear. She is a snake goddess. As a matter of fact, she is the snake that always comes for your brother's rescue each time he is in trouble. As I'm speaking to you, your brother is at home and ready to reveal the secrets.
Let's more strike him.
I'm going to leave this palace. This palace, please.
I'm not using it. It has to die. I feel pain too.
I don't want to stay here again. No, I don't want to stay here again.
Wipe your tears.
I don't want to stay here again.
So you people have not yet.
What?
Ago Jeremba Abatago. Prince Ugochukwu has returned from the journey.
Bafo, what is this now, eh? Are you joking or what?
I'm not joking. Prince Ugochukwu is alive.
Are you sure?
Okay, if you are doubting me, then come with me. We'll see by yourself. Let's go. Let's go.
Sure.
Prince Ugochukwu is alive. Let's go.
I am sorry. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Please don't hurt me. I am a prince. I am of royalty, please.
Ego!
Huh?
You think you're the only one that knows the way to wickedness?
Olama, please.
Today marks the end to your wicked reign.
Olama, please forgive me.
See that throne? You will never smell it.
Olama, because sorry. Olama, because
Oh no. Ikenga.
My son.
I was the one who found the crown. I heard the voice of the gods. They gave it to me. On our way back home, my brother shot at me and took away my crown.
It's a lie. How dare you lie?
If what he is saying is the truth, how and why are you still alive? My husband shot at you with a gun and you are still alive. How is that possible?
But brother, where is the wound sustained from the gunshot? Because there is no gunshot mark on your body.
Prince, yes, I'm on the same page with her. Oh. If you were shot at, show us the wound of the gunshot.
Oh no, I had already died when my wife appeared from nowhere and healed me of the wound.
Ikenga, have you heard this kind of story before?
Another story for the gods. Since when did your wife become a healer? To the extent that she healed a wound of a gunshot. With which herbs? Even if she healed you, where is the scar? Show us the scar, liar!
Strange. Strange. This whole story is very, very strange.
Say, Ezemo must hear this. Guards, go and call Ezemo. Ezemo must hear this.
He needs to be here.
All I can see is wickedness.
The story is strange.
All I can see is evil.
Ibani Bakulo. 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 Ah! Ezemo. Ah! Ezemo. And the gods, you are here. You see what is happening in our land. Everything is scattering. Look at this palace. Please, do something.
Yes, Ezemo, we actually sent for you. We sent for you so that you can help us unravel what is happening in this kingdom. We don't have anything to say. Everywhere is scattered.
What I got on your ten, what I got on your ten, man, I got on your ten, or what? Or what I got on your Safiana, if a melubende, I was never.
Abi, what happened to you? What happened to you? Abi, what happened to you? Abi, because what happened to you? Abi, what happened to you?
Hey! My brother, forgive me, please. What is it? My brother. Pico. Pico.
Speak up now! Speak up! Before the gods will devour you.
Hey! Oh no!
Hey!
Oh no! I shot at my brother. Because of
Hey! So you shot at me. Ego! You shot at me!
Hey!
Ah! What wrong have I ever done to you? Even when you were stung by a scorpion in the forest, I was the one that saved your life. Ah, Egu, Afotalogi, you are so wicked. Are you not supposed to be my brother?
my son.
Egu,
It's alright.
you planned it. But Obialibum gave one way. Obialibum gave one way. Egu. Wicked brother.
Everything I did was out of greed. I wanted to be the king. My wife and my mother, they were a bad influence on me, Pico, one name. I have done so many ill things to you. But each time that I want to eliminate you, Chigana no go. Ew.
Hey, oh no. This. He wanted to kill his brother right inside the forest. Just like he said, Obialibum gave where Obara Jogu. Kimanka. Kimanka also. This is the choosing one.
Igwe.
What this? It's an abomination before the gods. Take him to the evil forest. I have spoken.
Somebody help! Somebody help!
I will be the king!
I don't know what has happened to her.
What happened to her?
I don't know.
My wife! What is wrong with you? What happened to her?
I don't know. I was in the kitchen cooking. I was her shouting.
Kim, Kim, wake up. Kim, wake up. I'm back.
Lola.
Kim, I'm back now.
Lola.
Please wake up.
Hey.
Kim.
What is wrong now?
Kim.
What kind of sleep is
She's
this?
not talking to me, Kim.
What kind of sleep is this?
Kim, please wake up.
She's sleeping.
Kim.
She was shouting before.
She was shouting.
Allow her to be. She has gone back to her maker.
Meaning?
My king, you were married to a snake goddess.
Snake!
Yes.
Kim, snake!
Fear not.
Snake.
My king, fear not. She has been the snake protecting you, fighting for you all this while. She meant no harm. She came for a mission, and that mission has been accomplished. Today you are a king. The ace, the second of Mbologu. Fear not, for she has helped you to achieve your aim. Look at her, sleeping beauty.
Snake! Is it more snake?
This is the great snake goddess. Just like I told you, you were married to a snake goddess. We greet you. Peaceful goddess, we greet you. Thank you for helping us achieve this feat. Thank you. Thank you. My king, fear not. She came for a mission and she has accomplished it. Farewell. Farewell, my goddess. Farewell. Farewell. You have seen it.
No, you can't please.
My king, you will rule. You will rule with vigor. You will rule the great AEC. All hail the king.
Because we came.
The snake is here. Is there? Ooh. Is there? May the land of the spirit give us help in this world. Cause we can't fight alone. We can't do all this alone. We can't fight alone. God help us. Give us the spirit. It's here.
Mother!
Come. What is this? Eh?
Mother, my brother just came back and he was bitten by a snake.
A snake?
Yes, mother, he was bitten by a snake. And he confessed that it was Prince Ugo that found the crown. And he shot Prince Ugo and took the crown from him. Then Olama went to the evil forest and revived Prince Ugo. Mother, that's not all. After confessing, my brother slumped and died.
Sorry. Who slumped and died?
My brother.
My son.
Yes, mother.
My son.
He's dead.
My son slumped and...
Mother!
Mother! No! Mother! Mother! Mother, no! No!
Your sister is back.
Mama is back.
Your sister is back.
Mother!
You are welcome.
Thank you, Father. I couldn't have done it without you.
Mission completely accomplished. Even when you are dead in the world of mortals, here you are, back in your own world where you are indestructible.
Thank you, Father. I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you so much.
Come here, come here. My beautiful daughter.
Thank you, Father.
Let's go.
Okay. Father.
Oh, Lama the goddess. Yeah, mission accomplished.
May the God save the powerless. May the God save the powerless. We need an angel that will save us from evil hands. From evil hands. Oh, God, no, the python. Oh, God, no, the the snake is here. The python is there. Oh yes, the snake is here again. Ooh, is there. May the land of the spirit give us help in this world. Cause we can't fight alone. We can't do all this alone. We can't fight alone. God help us. Give us the spirit that we fight this battle for us.